meditation on pessimism. What I feel like saying to pessimists and perpetual worriers is this: how stupid you are. One day in the United States, I met a woman who was very unhappy for no good reason. I said to her, "Don't make yourself miserable. You are young. You still have many years to live. You have no reason to distress yourself." She asked me why I didn't mind my own business. I felt sad. I answered that there was no point in saying that. I took her hand, gave her a friendly pat, and then her attitude changed. We can only help people who feel this way through love and affection, not with a superficial love or with words that are hollow, but with something that comes from the heart. When we discuss these things, we are appealing to reason, but when we manifest genuine love and kindness, we communicate directly with the other person. In the end, this woman changed, and she began to laugh.